Hey friends, so we are here to go over our learning target of multiplying multi-digit integers using area models in the standard algorithm. Remember that you can use the area model or the standard algorithm when you're solving, but we are going to go over both and the connections with them. Of course, make sure to pause and rewind as you need, so that way you can have appropriate understanding. And of course, make sure you have something to write on and write with, so that way you can work it out with me. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one first. 648 times 35. Go ahead and take a minute and pause and create that area model. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and come on back. And I've set up our area model as well. We have our 648 times our 35. And then I've also written it vertically as well. All right, so let's go ahead and start solving. So I'm going to start with my area model. 8 times 5 as always, that would give me 40. Looking over here, I'm going to start with my ones. I have 5 ones times 8 ones, that's 40 ones. I'm going to go ahead and bundle that 40 ones into 4 tens. I'm carrying that 4 over. My next one would be 40 times 5, which would be 200. Now I have 5 ones times 4 tens. That's going to give me 20 tens. Now, I had this 4 tens from before. So 20 tens plus 4 tens, I now have a total of 24 tens. I'm going to bundle that 20 tens into 200s. I'm carrying that over. Notice that that would be 240. I have 240. All right, continuing on, 600 times 5, and that would give me 3,000. All right, I have 5 tens times 6 hundreds. That's going to give me 30 hundreds, plus those 200s from before. That's 32 hundreds, bundling that 30 hundreds into 3,000s right up there. So my first partial product is 3,240. When we add up 3,240, what do we get? We get 3,240. So that first partial product in my standard algorithm is the same one as my first row in my area model. All right, let's go ahead and show all of our partial products for this one. So we have 8 times 30, which is going to be 240. Looking here, I'm going to go ahead and erase those. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Hold on. All right, so I have 240, I have 3 tens times 8 ones. That's going to give me 24 tens. So again, that's why I'm putting that 0 there, because I'm going to have 24 tens. I'm again going to bundle those 20 tens into 200. So I'm keeping that up there. You might want to cross through that if you're not color coding. 40 times 30, that's going to give me 1,200. 3 tens times 4 tens, that's going to give me 12 hundreds plus those 2 from before, which is going to give me 1,400. I'm going to bundle that one over to make that 1,000. 3 tens times 6 hundreds, same as right here. 6 times 3, 18. 10 times 100 is 1,000, so I have 18 thousands plus that one from before, which is going to give me 19,000. So I can carry that 10,000 over because I can make 10,000s. Again, this 18,000 plus 1,200 plus 240, if I add that all together, I again get the same partial product. All right, now just like I would have to add these together, I'm going to go ahead and add these together to get my final product of 22,680. So go ahead and take a minute to pause and process this as you need, and then we're going to do an abbreviated one on the next slide. All right, so go ahead and I want you to again pause the video and go ahead and work this one out using either your area model or your standard algorithm. All right, so we have our first line of our area model, because you should have worked it out by now. If you're doing your standard algorithm, you have 5 ones times 6 ones, which is 30 ones. I'm bundling that 30 ones into 3 tens. 7 tens times 5 ones will give me 35 tens plus this 3 tens from before. So that's 38 tens, bundling that 30 tens into 300s. 5 ones times 4 hundreds is going to give me 20 hundreds plus those 3 from before. So I can have 2,000. Continuing on with my next, I have 6 tens times 6 ones, which is going to give me 360. Carrying it again. 6 times 7 is 42, plus that 3 from before. 4 times 6 is 24, plus those 8 from before. We're going to go ahead and add them up just like we would over here, and we get our final total